Okay, so this is the rubber weather stripping. It is a seal strip for your doors, and as you can see, I'm going to put it on the top of this kitchen door here where you see all of that whiteness, as well as the far right side here. Now, on the left side, I've already actually installed it, and it was super easy to go ahead and put in. Simply take off the backing and then put it onto the door. Now, this is made of rubber, and it is considered a D shape. When you squeeze it, it actually will go ahead and provide a seal between your door jamb and then the door itself. It is super flexible, and it will go ahead and allow us to be able to keep the heat or the cold air out of our house or from leaking out of the house. So we're going to go ahead and pull the tape off, and we're going to put it at the very, very top, slowly placing it onto that part of the door jamb, and then we're going to easily follow it all the way down to the bottom of the door. So I'm going to simply go ahead and pull off the backing, making sure that the rubber seal lines up with where it is that I'm wanting it, and then we're going to slowly go ahead and then just start pushing it so that it will actually have a seal. Now, I did wash my door jambs before we started applying, just to make sure that there wasn't any dust or anything like that. This door is actually 45 years old, and it's never had a seal around it. So this is going to be fantastic for us, so that we don't have so much air or escaping or coming into the home. Now, on the very bottom, you're going to go ahead and kind of measure it out by eyeballing it. You're going to cut it with some scissors and then finish out the rest of the process. After everything was completely installed, I will tell you that the door was a little difficult to close, but after it's been there for about a couple of weeks, our door shuts very nicely, and this thing is working fantastic. Thanks, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. You guys have a great day.